Pipili, the Applique capital of Orissa. Pipili is a handicraft village located nearly 20 kilometers from Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Pipili is particularly known for its colorful artwork called Applique. The village is filled with a large number of beautifully decorated shops and stores selling number of products made from cane, bamboo, wood and cloth. Starting from clothes right down to lampshades, everything has colorful applique work on them that is fascinating to look. One can buy a large number of products like bed covers, wall hangings, tablecloth, sofa covers, children's garments and bags from here. Other articles that you can buy from here include beach and garden umbrellas and canopies. The products on sale here are made by some of the master craftsmen of the village. Applique is a French term which means the technique of decorating with needles the cut pieces of one material and affixing them to the surface of another. The work is done by placing a patch of colored fabric on a basic fabric and the edges of the patches being seen in the form of stitches. This art is known all over India but is unique and special in Orissa, especially in Pipili. The Oriya name of this work is Chanduva. The basic material for applique is cloth. The process of preparing these handicrafts is very time-taking. It starts with a base cloth in a square or rectangular shapes. This cloth is stitched on its four sides with a fancy or zari ribbon. Required shapes and colors of motifs are drawn and cut on the contrast colors. Following this, different colored clothes are taken according to the design that one perceives. For example, a peacock, sun, an elephant, etc. These cut and specially prepared motifs are then superposed on a base cloth in a specially predetermined layout and sequence. The edges of the motifs are turned in and skillfully stitched onto the base cloth or stitched by embroidery. The specially prepared motifs may be colored or white. Only a limited number of colors are used in the traditional applique craft like green, red, blue, ochre, black and some experimented colors. The base cloth is usually colored. Some of the specially prepared motifs have exclusive embroidery work and some have mirror work. In heavy canopies, the base cloth is additionally supported by a back cloth for strength. The motifs used are pictures of different trees, plants, flowers like lotus, jasmine, animals and birds like elephant, parrot, peacock, ducks, creepers, half moon, the sun and Rahu. Each item has a unique design and style. Hence, the stitching process differs from item to item and categorized into bakia, ganti, ruching, taropa, chikono and buttonhole. In Orissa, applique work is an inseparable part of the temple tradition. This is one of the temple arts of Orissa and its main center of production is in and around Pipili. Though the art became popular after the construction of the Lord Jagannath temple in Puri, its origins go far beyond. This work is mainly used in the rituals and traditions of Lord Jagannath, the presiding deity of the Puri temple. The applique items are mainly used during processions of the deities in their various ritual outings. The chariots of the presiding deities of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra are fully decorated with their colorful applique work every year during the Ratha Yatra. As per tradition, the color scheme of the three covers is predetermined. The chariot of Balabhadra, known as Tala Dhwaja, has a cloth covering of bright green and red. while that of Subhadra, known as Padma Dwaja, has a cover of bright red and black. The chariot of Lord Jagannath, called Nandi Ghosha, has a cover of bright red and yellow. The four sides above the openings, there are applique designs like Rahu, Chandra, flowers, etc. One can easily identify the chariots of the three deities by its colorful applique covers from far away by the millions of pilgrims during Ratha Yatra. Applique items are also being used in combination with other handicrafts to produce composite products. An interesting use is the superimposition of applique on grass mats and used as partitions. Though earlier the art form was restricted to Darji caste, today it is practiced by non-caste members, notably by some young Muslim boys. Unlike many other handicrafts, applique items are attractive artifacts of daily use apart from being decorative, and they are also comparatively cheaper. Applique work of Pipili is also known as patching cloth design. Several training centers are available in and around Pipili to train in applique work. Applique and dressmaking training centers at College Square, Puri, developed and maintained by Chandua Mahila Samiti, Sundara's Craft Center and Diamond Applique Center are a few of them. The Applique Training Center, developed by Chandua Mahila Samiti, was set up initially under the NORAD scheme. Currently, a group of 20 SC women are undertaking training in applique work. Duration of the training is 6 months. Complete younger generations engage in applique work during the slack season when they have low earning potential without irrigated land. This team has achieved notable success in employment generations. This art has a wide range of popularity all over India. It is popular in different regions with different names. The traditional applique from Punjab is called fulkari. Fulkari is generally made on shawls using the darn stitch to attach pieces of cloth onto the surface of the shawl. Apart from flowers, stylized figures of animals and plants are also made. Silk thread is generally used in creating fulkari, though occasionally cotton thread is also put to use. In Andhra Pradesh, the blouses and headscarves worn by the Banjara tribal women are not only embroidered but also decorated with applique and mirror work. In this field, artists can work as an applique designer with the help of composition senses. The artist should work with their creativity and can select this field as a profession. This applique work is so popular that even in the colleges this has become a part of curriculum in textile design course. The degree courses Bachelor of Fine Art and Master of Fine Art in Textile Design are available in many institutions. Some institutions provide the diploma and short-term courses which are also helpful to begin a career in this field. Because of the unique designs, different styles and incorporation of vibrant colors, this art form in Pipili creates magic which is beyond comparison to any other art form of this kind throughout India. And the fact remains unaltered that among the traditional textiles of India, this art of applique work occupies a distinguished place.